So Becky and I are out here today on a little date, and we wanted to show you guys as well. We're here in Seoul Forest. I know it doesn't look much like a forest right now, but we're gonna show you some really cool parts in this park. Lots of trees and lots of nature, so it's gonna be really fun. Afterwards, we're gonna go to Seongsu, which is another hot place here in Seoul. So we just wanna take you guys along today, and hopefully you guys will have fun with us.
Seoul-sup is one of the biggest parks in Seoul. 400,000 trees, 100 different types of animals, and open all year round. There are beautiful ginkgo trees and sequoias. It's very peaceful here. Seoul-sup is an eco-friendly zone in the city. It used to be a royal hunting ground for kings, but now it's a cultural art park, wildlife habitat, outdoor nature classroom, and just a place to rest. It's a popular spot for photography. This is the reflection pond. I guess the water all dried up. We saw a drama being filmed that day too. Seoul-sup is a beautiful, quiet place in the heart of the city.
An older part of town. Handmade shoe shops, street murals. Welcome to the Brooklyn of Seoul, Seongsu. Seongsu is currently one of the hottest places in Seoul. Are you looking for craft coffee bars, organic restaurants, and chic hangout spots in unlikely places? Then this is the neighborhood.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. We're here in Seongsu-dong, which is one of the old neighborhoods here in Seoul. And then they re-innovated it. Welcome to Seongsu-dong. This is one of the older spots of Seoul, but it's now becoming a very hip, hot, happening neighborhood, and some of the old places are being renovated. Like for example, 할아버지 공장, which actually was 50 years a factory, and now it has become this super cool cafe with great food and great drinks.
Oh man. I realized we didn't drink for the past like 5 hours. This is so good. So this is Yuja aid, right? So
Yuja lemonade.
Oh, Yuja lemonade. So it's like citrus, sea, lemon, aid, whatever you want to call it. It's banging though. A place for art and creative minds. There's an exhibition on the second floor. A rooftop to soak up some sun. And even a tree house. One summer day, well spent.